Welcome back to Grammar Grade 9. This is Unit 9, Lesson 65, and we're rounding up another handful of words that trip up even careful writers. Today it's a mix of little usage traps. This kind versus these kinds. The classic lay and lie. Set and sit. Than and then. The famous there trio. And the redundant phrase, the reason is because. None of these are hard once you know the trick behind each one. Let's dig in. Let's start with a small phrase that trips up a lot of writers. This kind and these kinds. The rule is simple. You match the number of the noun that follows. This kind, or that kind, is singular, so it goes with a singular word. These kinds, or those kinds, is plural, and it goes with a plural word. So you'd write this kind of book with both singular, or these kinds of books with both plural. What you want to avoid is the mismatch, saying these kind, a plural pointer stuck onto a singular kind. Keep the number the same on both sides, and you'll always be right. Next up is a classic pair, lay and lie. Both are about position, which is why they get mixed up. But there's one clean difference. Lay means to place something down, and it always needs an object, a thing you're placing. You lay the book on the desk. The book is the object being placed. Lie means to recline or rest, and it takes no object at all. You lie down on the couch. You're not placing anything, you're just resting yourself. Here's the tricky part worth a quick mention. The past tense of lie is actually lay. So today I lie down, but yesterday I lay down. Focus on the object test first. If there's a thing being placed, it's lay. Set and sit follow the very same object test you just learned. Set means to place or put something, so it needs an object. You set the cup on the shelf. The cup is the thing you're placing. Sit means to take a seat, and it takes no object. You sit in the chair. You're not placing anything, you're just seating yourself. So the shortcut is identical to lay and lie. If there's a thing being placed, use set. If someone is simply resting or seated, use sit. Now a pair that's really about spelling and meaning. Than and then. One of them compares, the other tells time. Than is the comparison word. Bigger than, faster than, more than. The lake is deeper than the pond. We're comparing two things. Then is the time word. It means next, or after that. First we studied, and then we rested. Here's a memory trick that never fails. Than has an A, just like the word compare has an A. And then has an E, just like the words next and time. Match the letter and you'll never mix them up again. This next set is the most famous mix-up in English. There, and there. 3 words that sound exactly alike, but each has a completely different job. There, T-H-E-I-R, is possessive. It means belonging to them, as in their gear. There, T-H-E-R-E, points to a place, or starts a sentence like there is. And there, spelled T-H-E-Y'-R-E, is simply a contraction of they are. Watch all 3 work together in one sentence. They're bringing their gear over there. They are bringing the gear that belongs to them to that place. 3 words, 3 jobs, 1 sentence. Here's a phrase that sneaks into a lot of writing. The reason is because. Listen to it in action. The reason I'm late is because the bus broke down. The problem is that because already means for the reason that. So you're really saying the reason twice, once with reason and once with because. There are 2 clean fixes. You can swap because for that. The reason I'm late is that the bus broke down. Or, even simpler, you can drop the reason entirely and just use because. I'm late because the bus broke down. Either one is tight and correct. Just never pair reason with because. Let's turn everything into a quick checklist you can run in a second. 1. Is a thing being placed? If yes, you want lay or set, the object words. 2. Is someone just resting or seated with nothing placed? Then it's lie or sit. 3. Are you comparing? Use than. Telling time or sequence? Use then. And keep 2 more in your back pocket. Match the number, so this kind stays with a singular noun and these kinds with a plural. And never pair the reason with because. Run through those and these confusions won't catch you. Let's practice. In this first set, I'll give you a sentence with 2 choices, and you pick the word that fits. Think about the job each word does: placing or resting, comparing or timing, one or many. Pause the video and decide before I reveal the answer. This kind, or these kinds, of problems are hard to solve. Look at the noun and the verb. Problems is plural, and are is plural. So the pointer has to be plural too. That means these kinds. The answer is these kinds. Please lay, or lie, the blanket on the grass. Ask the object question. Is there a thing being placed? Yes, the blanket. When you place a thing, you use lay. So the answer is lay. This trail is steeper than, or than, the last one. We're comparing 2 trails, steeper than something. Comparison calls for than, the one with an A. So the answer is than. Nice work. In this second set, each sentence has one of today's slip-ups waiting. Read it, decide which word truly fits, and choose the best option. Pause and try each before I answer. They're leaving their coats over there, or they're leaving. Try expanding it to they are. They are leaving their coats. Since they are fits, we need the contraction there. The answer is there. Come set or sit next to me on the bench. Is a thing being placed? No, someone is simply taking a seat. No object means sit, so the answer is sit. The reason we won is because we practiced, or is that we practiced. Remember, reason and because say the same thing, so pairing them is redundant. With the reason already there, we finish with that. So the answer is that. Let's gather up what we learned. First, match the number. This kind goes with a singular noun, these kinds with a plural, and steer clear of these kind. Second, lean on the object test. If a thing is being placed, it's lay or set. If someone is just resting or seated, it's lie or sit. And finally, keep the sound alike straight. Than compares, while then tells time. There shows belonging, there points to a place, and there means they are. And instead of the reason is because, say the reason is that, or simply use because. Say exactly what you mean, and your writing gets clearer overnight. I'll see you in the next lesson.